Details about Redmi Note 9. Designed like the Huawei Mate 20. New name and Snapdragon 720. But the camera apparently will not change. The network has new details about the smartphones Redmi Note 9 and Note 9 Pro. The source claims that he is well aware of these two models. But we will not draw hasty conclusions. We just take the information into account. Perhaps the most interesting is that the Redmi Note 9 is attributed to the design of the Huawei Mate 20. In this way, according to the source, the main camera with 4 sensors will be made. By the way, their resolution will not change and will be the same 48, 8, 2 and 2 megapixels. No changes are expected in the part of the camera in Redmi Note 9 Pro either. Sensors with resolution of 64, 8, 2 and 2 megapixels will still be used in it. Smartphones will receive Full HD Plus screens and 5000 mAh batteries. The memory configurations are as follows: 3 32GB, 4 64GB and 6 128 GB. Redmi Note 9 is attributed to the Snapdragon 720 platform, but the older one will use MediaTek Dimensity 800, which will provide clearly greater performance. Finally, another interesting detail: new items can come out under completely different designations. In the new generation, Redmi will change their names. Also, another design of Redmi Note 9 Pro shown on renderings. The network has another renders of the unannounced smartphone Redmi Note 9 Pro. Judging by the images presented, the novelty will receive a frameless design, 4 cameras, and a front end embedded in the screen, as in the new flagships from Samsung. According to the images obtained, the novelty will equip it with a small hole for the front camera. The main camera will consist of 4 modules: 64 megapixel wide-angle camera, macro, and TOF sensor. There was no fingerprint scanner on the renders, so we can assume that it will be built into the screen of the smartphone. You can also see thin screen frames and traditional volume control and power on-off buttons in the picture. According to available information, Redmi Note 9 Pro will be built on the 8-core MediaTek Helio G70 platform with the Mali G52Z EE-MC2 graphics accelerator. 5G support is not reported, as well as no information on when the smartphone will be announced. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.